Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Walk Another Mile. Today we take you on an immersive tour of Hotel Sonar Bangla Mayapur, a luxurious 5-star retreat nestled in one of Bengal's most spiritually significant towns. From stunning rooms and sprawling green campuses to delicious food and serene riverside views, we've documented every detail of our stay. Whether you're planning a relaxing getaway, a spiritual retreat, or a family vacation, this video will give you all the information you need. So stay with us till the end as we explore this premium property and the holy town of Mayapur in full depth. Let's start our journey. Our journey begins at the iconic Howrah station in Kolkata, a historic terminal dating back to the British era and one of the busiest in Asia. From here, we boarded the Howrah-Balurghat Express to reach Nabadwip Dham. Alternatively, Mayapur is about 130 kilometers from Kolkata and takes around 4 hours by car. There are also private buses and taxis available. For those flying in, the nearest airport is Kolkata's Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport, from where you can easily book a cab to reach Mayapur. We've arrived at Nabadwip Dham Railway Station, a simple yet crucial junction that serves as the rail gateway to Mayapur. From here, taxis, autos and e-rickshaws are readily available to take you to your destination. Nabadwip itself is a major religious site, known as the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, a revered Vaishnav saint. We hop into a cab and begin our 25-kilometer journey to the hotel. En route, we cross the Gauranga Setu, a bridge over the Hooghly River, offering a distant yet magnificent view of the ISKCON Mayapur Temple Dome, one of the largest Vedic temples in the world. This stretch gives you your first glimpse into the spiritual energy of the region. Just a minute's walk from the national highway, we've reached the tranquil expanse of Hotel Sonar Bangla Mayapur. Set amid quiet surroundings and lush greenery, the location is perfect for those seeking luxury wrapped in peace. As we step through the entrance, the elegant signage welcomes us to a sanctuary of comfort and relaxation. The first impression is impressive. You immediately feel like you're entering a premium, well-maintained property. To the right is the reception building, grand and airy, while ahead lies the vast campus dotted with villas and cottages. Hotel Sonar Bangla Mayapur spans several acres and has been designed to balance natural aesthetics with luxurious facilities. The gardens are immaculately maintained, and the layout ensures that each room or villa enjoys privacy and space. As you walk or ride through the campus, you'll notice winding paths, palm trees, and plenty of shaded sitting areas, ideal for meditation, reading, or simply soaking in nature. Inside, the reception area greets you with a luxurious and spiritual touch. On one side stands a grand statue of Sri Krishna, beautifully carved and radiating serenity. The marble flooring, artistic ceiling decor, and subtle lighting elevate the experience. The check-in process is smooth and efficient, and the courteous staff ensures you're well taken care of. For those who arrive early, there are multiple waiting lounges, refreshment areas, and Wi-Fi available. The blend of traditional motifs and modern design makes the lobby feel both spiritual and upscale. Here's a closer look at the divine Sri Krishna Murti. Calm, welcoming, and perfectly aligned with the town's spiritual heritage. This Krishna idol is not just decorative. It's symbolic of the town's spiritual essence. With check-in complete, we're heading to our room. It feels like a short journey through a tranquil resort. Time to head to our room. The hotel provides an electric golf cart for easy transport within the campus. Especially useful if you have heavy luggage or are traveling with seniors or children. As we ride across the tranquil campus, you'll see a variety of accommodation options. From garden view platinum rooms, ideal for a peaceful stay amidst greenery, to Meandering Pool Villas, perfect for luxury seekers. There are also duplex pool view villas, ideal for large families or groups. Architect's choice rooms that feature designer interiors, and private suites offering complete privacy and indulgence. Whatever your budget or preference, there's a room type here just for you. Here's a glimpse of the elegant garden view rooms with porches overlooking lush lawns, followed by the Meandering Pool Villas, designed around a flowing water body. These villas open directly to the poolside and offer a beautiful view from your private balcony or patio. We chose to stay in one of these meandering pool villas, and we can already tell it's going to be a serene experience. We're now approaching our villa. Surrounded by trees and flowering plants, the walkway feels like a warm embrace from nature. As we step into our room, we're instantly greeted by the soft natural light pouring in from the balcony. The balcony opens to a stunning pool view, peaceful, blue, and relaxing. Whether it's for sipping tea in the morning or stargazing at night, this balcony is a delightful addition. Now let's explore the room interiors in detail. Our villa room is spacious, tastefully decorated, and equipped with all modern amenities. A plush, king-sized bed sits at the center, with fluffy pillows and high thread count sheets. There's a dressing table with a large mirror, a writing desk for work or journaling, a cozy sofa, and a flat-screen TV with all major channels. One of the first things you'll notice is how quiet the room is. The soundproofing is excellent, ensuring uninterrupted rest. The curtains are thick and blackout style, perfect for late risers. Subtle ambient lighting along the ceiling adds a calming glow during the evening. The room also features convenient charging points beside the bed, bedside lamps for nighttime reading, and thoughtful touches like a shoe rack, luggage stand, and a full-length mirror. It's clear that a lot of attention has gone into combining aesthetics with functionality. You'll find an electric kettle, complimentary tea and coffee, drinking water, and a mini refrigerator. The ambient lighting adds warmth, and the decor, featuring earthy tones and subtle textures, ensures a restful vibe. This room truly blends style with comfort. Washroom is equally luxurious, well lit, clean, and equipped with modern fittings. There's a glass-enclosed shower, a western toilet, plenty of storage space, a large mirror, soft towels, and a complimentary toiletries kit. Everything feels fresh and hygienic, just as you'd expect in a 5-star setting. There's also a separate hand shower, anti-slip flooring for safety, and well-placed hooks and towel racks for added convenience. The overall layout is practical, making it easy to move around without feeling cramped. With that refreshing pool view inviting us to relax, it's now time to grab some lunch and explore the dining options. We step out for lunch, passing through landscaped paths, charming cottages, and the serene meandering pool that winds around the villas. The walk itself is therapeutic, surrounded by chirping birds, greenery, and the soft rustling of palm leaves. These thoughtful design elements make Hotel Sonar Bangla feel more like a wellness retreat than just a hotel. Along the way, you'll find cozy benches tucked under trees, perfect for a quick break or quiet conversation. Soft instrumental music plays faintly across the campus, blending beautifully with the natural sounds around. The landscaping is truly serene. It feels less like a hotel and more like a resort, designed for reflection and relaxation. The in-house restaurant is elegant and welcoming. Designed with a mix of Bengali and modern aesthetics, it offers both indoor and semi-open seating, perfect for families, couples, and even solo travelers. The menu features Indian, Chinese, and Bengali specialties, all freshly made. We began our meal with a sizzling hot fish sizzler, crispy on the outside, tender inside, and perfectly spiced. A delicious starter to whet your appetite. Next, the chicken reshmi kebab. Soft, juicy, and marinated with mild spices. Melt in the mouth goodness. The highlight of our lunch was the iconic Bengali delicacy, chingri malai curry with steamed rice. The prawns were fresh and the creamy coconut-based gravy was rich and flavorful. If you're a seafood lover, this is a must-try here. We wrapped up with a classic combo, tangy chutney and soft melt-in-your-mouth caramel custard. After that satisfying lunch, we took a slow walk across the campus. There are lawns where you can sit and read, swings and play areas for children, and peaceful corners ideal for meditation or just breathing in the fresh air. The entire property is surrounded by calm, a welcome break from our usual city lives. Here's a soothing time lapse of the day, gently transitioning into evening. Skies turning golden, lights coming on, and the property entering a magical twilight zone. At night, the hotel transforms. Pathways are lit with soft golden lights. The pool shimmers under the moonlight, and the air is filled with gentle music and quiet. It's the perfect time for a romantic walk or a peaceful solo stroll. Evenings in Mayapur tend to be breezy and pleasant, making them ideal for spending time outdoors. As night falls, the entire campus feels like a dreamscape. The warm glow from the cottage lights reflects on the water, creating shimmering patterns on the meandering pool. Gentle garden lights highlight the palm trees and pathways, making it safe yet magical to walk around. You might hear the soft hum of crickets or the distant sound of temple aarti, reminding you that you're in a place where nature and spirituality coexist in harmony. It's the kind of peaceful night that lingers in memory long after you've returned home. We head back toward the reception. Even this short walk feels special. Everything is calm, glowing, and beautifully arranged. The gentle fragrance of flowers and the sound of leaves swaying in the breeze add to the tranquil mood. As we re-enter the reception, it feels even more peaceful at night, like walking into a spiritual haven. The Sri Krishna statue glows under ambient lighting, casting a peaceful aura. You'll find guests here sitting quietly, some chatting softly, others simply soaking in the silence. It's moments like these that make a stay at Sonar Bangla Mayapur memorable. Not just the luxury, but the peace that comes with it. For dinner, we kept it traditional. Mutton kasha with steamed rice. Rich, flavorful, and perfectly slow cooked. A comforting end to the day. Night gently gives way to dawn. A new day begins in the spiritual heartland of Bengal. We explore more of the property in daylight. The duplex pool view villas are stunning, offering split-level luxury. The architect's choice rooms stand out with unique layouts and decor. The private suites are ideal for honeymooners or those seeking solitude with a touch of indulgence. With birds chirping, soft breeze flowing, and the temple bells ringing faintly in the background, mornings in Mayapur are truly magical. In the soft morning light, the meandering pool looks even more inviting. Its calm, blue surface reflecting the sky like glass. Guests begin stepping out of their villas with cups of tea, enjoying the view right from their patios. The poolside walkways are cool and breezy, and the villas with their elegant architecture stand peacefully like little sanctuaries tucked into nature. And before checking out, we indulge in the complimentary breakfast buffet. It's lavish with fresh fruits, cakes, croissants, muffins, idli, vada, puri sabji, chicken sausages, potato wedges, cereals, chow mein sandwiches, and a live counter for dosas and eggs. Whether you're craving a South Indian, continental, or North Indian breakfast, it's all here, fresh and tasty. With that, we wrap up our stay at Hotel Sonar Bangla Mayapur. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Walk Another Mile. See you in the next adventure.